oh, do I think it could hit 1267 in the next 9 days? That is not really the question that you want to ask. When you buy, I'm going to pull it up here. So give me a second. When you buy an option, you're not just buying the strike price and the break-even price that you think it can get to by expiration. Part of what you're doing is you're buying the belief that it can get there. And what happens with that belief before we get there? That belief is called time value. Time value. It's theta. Okay? And every day that it doesn't reach that target, some of that time value goes away. It's called theta decay. Some of the belief that it can get to that strike price goes away. And along with that, the price of your option goes away. So let me pull up Ford here. All right, here we go. So right above me is the Ford daily. It's the Ford chart on the daily. Okay. So it looks like just recently it was up to 13.6. And it's come down, came down to 12.10, went back up to 12.90, almost 13. Now it's back down to 12.24. So 12.67, yeah, it can hit 12.67 in the next 9 days. I don't know why it can't, at least according to the chart, right? There's a lot of support. There's a lot of support that was built in right here at the 12.05 mark. Okay, so you still have some time value built into this thing. I don't know what it's going to be doing. I don't know when earnings is for Ford. I imagine they probably have an earnings call coming up here soon. You're going to want to look that up, see if they've got earnings. But the big thing is what does it take to make a profit on your trade? What does it take to make a profit on your trade? We've got some consolidation going on here, a little bit of an up and down. Right now, we're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band on the daily chart, okay? These are our Bollinger Bands, this green line. Stochastic is down. RSI, it's trying to turn up, but it's under 50, indicating a downward trend. And MACD has not turned over. So odds are, might be a little more downside to come. But we're working on a little green candle here as well. So today was a little green candle. We may end up coming down to this low Bollinger Band in the next day or so. The low Bollinger Band is at 11.95. And then we might see it bounce back up. And the hope would be that it comes back up to the upper Bollinger Band, which is right around 12.95. So there's a good chance, unless those Bollinger Bands contract some more, there's a good chance you could get above that break-even price in the next 9 days, okay? So there's definitely a chance. What you're going to want to watch for, this is Webull that I'm using up here. You can do these same charts and the same indicators on your Webull account, okay? What you're going to want to watch for is you don't want to see it go below this low Bollinger Band and push down. That will not be a good sign. That's not going to be a good sign. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour chart. Went up today. Oh, earlier today would have been a good time to sell that option, I bet. It hit 12.45, which is almost your break even. And there's still 9 days of time value left in that option. You got to watch out for these things. A couple of days ago, it was up at 12.62 at the beginning of the day. It looks like the beginning of the day is the best time of the day for Ford. You get the highest prices, and it's been fading after that. So watch for a spike up. Check your option price. See if it looks like a good time to get out. If you actually want to buy the stock at whatever you had, hold the option until expiration, buy the stock. Okay, but for the most part, we're not trading to buy the stocks. We're not doing options to buy the stocks. We're doing it to make some money. So make sure you make some money. Get out with a profit whenever it looks like it's a good time. But you don't want to give up all of your time value. Oftentimes that time value can be worth more than the actual value, right?
Hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and whole life, check out these videos right over here, and we'll see you next time.
Now go maximize your cash flow.